night, make my day. Make my day.
Ashley, switch her jacket around.
My jacket was inside out.
Okay. Started. And you're good. Good morning, Wave Fam, from Vancouver, BC.
My name is Ashley. This is my husband, Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell for more of our adventures.
Let's go. Okay, today we are in Vancouver, BC. As you can see, it is kind of a gloomy day. Maybe you can't actually see that, but it's raining. Maybe you got stuff on my glasses. We are here with Flying the Nest again, or still I should say.
It's our last full day with them.
Yes, and tonight we're actually doing a meetup with some friends of theirs and ours who watch the videos.
Yeah.
But it is still midday, and we need something to do on kind of a gloomy, rainy day. So we're gonna go bowling.
Bowling! Here in Canada, they have something that's 5-pin bowling. I've never heard of it before, and we found one of the oldest family-owned bowling alleys here in Vancouver, so we're gonna go check it out. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny.
What? The
Look
pins?
at the balls!
Oh my goodness, I didn't see this.
Okay, so we're doing 5-pin bowling. Usual bowling that we know of is 10 pins, so now we're half the amount. They look really difficult to hit, and the balls are super small. This is totally a Canadian thing that I didn't even know of until this morning. It's my turn. We are learning the rules as you go. You get 3 shots, and each pin looks like it's worth 2 points, maybe. So Steven's winning now. But I'm gonna give it a go. Also, the little balls come back up on the lane, which I've never seen before. What? Why do I have so many pins? Okay, we'll see.
Hey, that's kind of cheating. I had 5 minutes.
Alright, I didn't do that great, but at least I hit some of them.
That's really hard to control.
Super old bowling alley. Our lane isn't working properly. It's not counting the points. It's messing up a little bit, but it's still super fun. It's so fun to see the old-fashioned way of doing bowling, I guess, but also the Canadian way of the 5 pins. We don't know any of the rules. We thought we were learning as we're going, but who knows? We're just literally hitting the pins. I throw it as hard as I can just to try to hit 1 pin. It's freaking hard, but I think we're doing well. Jess is definitely the leader at the moment, though.
I'm gonna be honest, I have zero idea how this works so far. We're getting what seems to be 10 and 12 pins, 5 pins, 4 pins. We have 3 tries each. It looks like only 5 rounds. I have no idea. But I'm having really a lot of fun. Steven just knocked them all down.
You beat me by 4.
I beat you.
Woo!
Hey, not bad. All right, I take it back. It looks like we do have more than 5 rounds. Just the screen shifts as you go along because they couldn't fit it all on the one TV screen. That's fun. We're having fun. We still don't know the rules, but we're doing it, and it's fun. We're enjoying it. Right, Ash?
fun. This is like the best way to spend a like rainy day and with friends. Like Josh and I most likely would never just go bowling, the two of us.
Yeah, that's true.
So it's so much more fun with the competition, like flying the nest against way away, you know, rivalries.
More like U.S. versus Australia.
Yeah, in Canada.
And Canada.
Oh no! No.
Ooh, they're really close.
I beat you though.
124. I still don't know the rules of the game, but I think I won.
I didn't even hit 100.
So close though. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
We're on to our next rainy day activity. I'm really looking forward to this one. We did it last time we were in Vancouver, and now we get to take flying the nest with us.
What is it? I don't even know.
We're going to the game place, the pizza.
Oh yeah.
Like, I don't know if they change it up based
I think
on...
it's the same game, but just different places. Nordic countries, that's fun.
Let's do that.
Yeah, that sounds good. There's also Europe.
Oh yeah, do you want to... Actually, let's do Europe.
Europe?
I don't know anything about the Nordic.
Have you ever played this? Or am I going to have to... Basically, these are the things where, you know, you pick up for 3 and then you can put... tells you where you're going. So like, you need to go from Paris to Wayne or whatever like that. If you don't make it and your card is worth 20, you're going to lose 20 points.
So you want to like make it.
And the game ends when one person on the table only has 2 train tracks left.
Illustrations? No? Lost
No.
that one too?
Alright.
How you doing?
Probably not well, but I feel like I'm having fun, so that's all right.
I feel like I'm having fun.
Yeah.
He feels like he's not sure.
We'll see when he loses.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
that in
that's,
there.
see, when you can do that, that's like really good.
Yeah.
Wow, you beat us by heaps.
Good work, Josh.
Yeah.
Beginner's luck and probably not following the rules.
You won both games today.
Didn't we say winner gets the bill?
I think that was.
I don't think I've tried a Tootsie Roll before.
Steven's first Tootsie Roll. They're saying it's strange that it's like a strong chocolate smell and flavor, but it does not have the texture.
See?
Mmm.
It reminds me of in Australia we have these like little babies and they're called Chicos.
They kind of are like
And
that.
they taste like that. So the Australian version I guess is a Chico.
This is like sweets my grandma would
If any
give me.
Australians out there are watching, I want to know if they remember what Chicos were.
Yeah.
Because they're an old thing too.
When you go trick-or-treating at Halloween, you get a lot of Tootsie Rolls. Or it used to
Really?
be that way.
And
Smarties
everyone like
and
gets-
Tootsie Rolls.
Yeah,
Does
because
everyone
it's your
get,
grandma giving them
yeah,
out, that's why.
And does everyone get depressed when they get too
No,
many Tootsie
I always
Rolls?
did, but
Yeah.
Josh is one of his favorites. We enjoyed so much being out playing games, but it is time now to meet some of you guys. I don't know who's showing up. This is our meetup. We set a place in the area that we're staying in. We'll see who comes. It looks super cute though. Meetup time! This is the first meetup we've ever done with someone else.
Yeah, and on this continent.
So, Flying the Nest invited people, and we invited people, and we'll see who's gonna come. goodbye to our good friends. They're headed off to Australia. But
See ya.
15 hours on a flight.
15, oh, it's technically 20 hours.
20
No,
hours.
24 hours.
That is so crazy.
Yeah.
But check out their channel because they're hoping to get on business class and we don't know if they're going to get it or not.
We'll
so
see
you
if we
have to
can
go
get
to their channel to see whether or not they get upgraded.
Travel hack, just ask every time you go on there. It's worked one time for us.
So see you guys.
Yeah,
Thanks
see
so
ya.
much.
Bye.
Bye.
Hopefully we see you somewhere else in the world.
Yes, that's the plan.
Bye.
Bye.
We have made it back to Ashley's parents' house out of Vancouver, BC, and back into Washington State in the United States. We had such a fun time with Flying the Nest. That was awesome. Those guys are awesome. They really are. Like, they were so encouraging and they were loving, and they invited us to come stay with them in Vancouver on their trip.
Yeah.
And then to their meetup that we just basically crashed. That was awesome.
Yeah, it turned out really well.
Yeah.
We have good friends now, which is amazing.
It's so fun to find people that you have something such in common with. I mean, we work every day on videos and they do too. And it's so fun because, you know, you have a lot in common and you have similar experiences but different at the same time, and you can share stories.
And you don't know where in the world you'll meet up next, which
Yeah.
is so cool. It's so exciting.
So if you haven't already, and I don't know why you wouldn't have, go visit Flying the Nest.
Yeah.
The link is up in the top left-hand corner, as well as at the end in a little card that's going to pop up. It's going to say Flying the Nest. It's Jess and Steven. Tell them we said hi and say
Yeah,
that we
for
sent
sure.
you. Check them out, like follow them, subscribe, and watch their videos. They're lovely people and they make awesome videos as well. So WayFam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today, and we will see you in the next video.
Who knows what we'll be doing then?
Dun dun dun!